everyone, Hank with Outer Rim Travels here. We're at Universal Stella Nova. Today is opening day, and I'll be among the first to stay here. So, brand new, smells brand new. Let's walk through, check it out, and then I'm gonna head up to my room and give you guys a quick tour of that. Come on, let's go. As you approach the main entrance, you're going to see a really nice turnstile there in the center. Cross that, and you've got bell services, or your luggage area there on the left. Off to the right, the first entrance to the Universal Studios store. We'll get back to that. Off on this side, you also have the photo op that they set up for opening day. Isn't that cool? Liftoff, January 21st, 2025. As you continue walking through the space, you're going to see the front desk off on the left. And directly across from that, the Vacation Planning Center. This is where you're going to come to pick up your park tickets and ask any questions about your vacation package. Let's continue walking through the space. Directly ahead, we've got Nova Bar, the little lobby bar. Check it out. Naturally, Nova Bar is open in the evenings, but I filmed these videos very early in the morning to not get any guests in the video. By the way, these panels are all photographic images by NASA. Isn't that cool? Check out the chandelier, how pretty. As we continue walking through the space, I just love how everything is connected and flows right within that general central space. Off on this side, you've got Cosmos Cafe and Market. So first up is the little market, which does include your Starbucks. Here you can purchase, salads, sandwiches, all kinds of different drinks and things. They've got fresh fruits, all kinds of pastries and cookies. And of course, your resort refillable mug. There it is. Bunch of chips and things too. As we continue walking, you're gonna see a little seating area off on this side. And then off to the left, you've got the cafe section. So in here is where you're going to place your order. There at that little window, you'll see the menus and things on those monitors above. And over here on the right, you have the dining space. Doesn't it feel like you're on some kind of a space station? They did an amazing job with the theming. Here is where you're going to pick up your order at that window. And if we keep walking over this way, you have your freestyle soda machines. This is where you're going to use your resort refillable mug. Awesome. Yeah, I love that. Okay, let's head back out of the dining area. We're going to head toward the Universal Studios store and check out some of the, day one merchandise. Of course, you're just going to walk back through the space, right through Nova Bar. And there is the Vacation Planning Center again. Remember, the team members at that desk are there to answer all your vacation package questions. So here's the second entrance to the Universal Studios store. Let's head in and check it out. They had a lot of unique merchandise I didn't even see over at the preview center. So here are some of your Epic Universe branded clothing. Of course, gotta have the mugs and shot glasses and things. Then over here, we've got the Wizarding World of Harry Potter section. You're going to find your house t-shirts, ties, caps, all kinds of goodies. I cannot wait to ride the Ministry of Magic attraction. Here are your wands, and again, you can get all your wizard gear right here at the hotel before ever hitting the theme park. How amazing is that? Off on this section, you've got your typical chocolate frogs and every flavor beans. And then you've got some stuffed animals as well. There's the Niffler. I did see these at the Epic Universe Preview Center. Cool shirt. Over here is a section that I had not seen yet. This is your Ministry of Magic branded merch. So check it out. They've got a bucket hat for the Metro Flu Network, as well as a tumbler, and of course a t-shirt. So this is the first time I am seeing this merchandise. Of course, you've got your Super Nintendo World gear. Lots of cups, bottles, headgear, and t-shirts. Here's Princess Peach. In the center, you've got Luigi. And of course, Mario. None of this is new to me. I had just seen this merchandise out at Universal Studios Hollywood. But it's nice to see it here in Orlando and for it to say Super Nintendo World Orlando, which is cool. There's Yoshi and Donkey Kong. Didn't see this stuff over there because we are getting Donkey Kong Country. It's going to be amazing. Universal monsters are underrepresented in this store, but finally we've got the How to Train Your Dragon section with some t-shirts and a few stuffed animals of Toothless. As we keep walking this way, you're going to come across the car rental desk. So there's your Avis car rental section. And let's head to the elevator so we can go upstairs and check out the room. All right, here we are on the 8th floor. I asked them for something high up so I could get a nice view of Epic Universe. Got a little bit of a walk, but I can't complain because we were kind of centered in the building. Perfect view of Epic. Here we are. I was 8038. Okay, here we are on the 8th floor. Welcome to my room. And I will be the very first person to sleep in those beds there behind me. How crazy is that, you guys? I think this is a first for me. I don't remember ever, being among the first guests to check in at a brand new resort. And the welcome party was phenomenal, you guys. They had astronauts and photo ops. They gave us all little drinks, and the staff lined up and were applauding as we walked through. It was crazy. It was like being on a TV show. Universal killed it. It was fantastic. Plus, they were playing Duran Duran, Planet Earth. Come on. They won me over instantly. Super, super exciting. And the hotel does have Aventura, resort vibes. I love that property. It's over on the other side by the original parks, Universal Studios Florida and Islands of Adventure. And one of the things I love, they had the garage built right in. So the garage drops you off in the lobby of the hotel, which is awesome. So, you don't have to worry about rain and things like that. They told me, I asked, they may be working on that for these. Right now, it's just outdoor parking. Which is fine. There's still, building, a lot more to come. But anyway, let's take a spin around, show you the room, and then we're gonna head out. There's just so much to explore, and I'm excited to show you guys. All right, come on. As you walk into the room, you're gonna find your bathroom here on the left. Love that there's no shower curtain here. I've got a shower door. And the Stella Nova branded shampoo and conditioner work. Just a nice touch. There's your throne. And over here, you've got your mirror and sink. Again, look at the little detail. Stella Nova facial soap. Across from that, you've got your little closet. There is your ironing board on the left, and your iron, and a really decent sized safe. Then you've got your mini fridge over here with your coffee maker. Here's your dresser and flat screen TV, and your super comfy queen beds. Check those out. Yeah, I just love the vibe of this room. Here's your flat screen TV. Another shot of the dresser. And here's your phone. And the outlets. Look at all the USBs available for charging. Awesome. But of course, the view cannot be beat. Check this out. There is the Helios Grand Hotel. You can see some of Super Nintendo World there. And of course, there's Stardust Racers, the roller coaster, and a little peek at Isle of Burke. Here is the brand new overpass leading us into Epic. Can you see Frankenstein's castle there? And there's the Helios Grand again. A fun feature you can only find on the 3rd floor is this star hallway. Make sure to swing by so you can grab a quick selfie. Really popular spot. Alright, we're back downstairs. Let's visit the arcade and fitness center. Over here off on the left, you're going to come across the arcade. Here we go. This is an additional charge, so it's not complimentary with your stay. You do have to purchase game cards. But there's lots of fun stuff for the kids to do in case it's too cold or rainy out. It's a fun space. And right across from that, you've got the fitness center. Here we go. I always say on the cruise ships that the only time I visit these spots is to film footage to show you guys, because I do not exercise on vacation. Probably should change that. Need to drop a few pounds, actually. But they got some cool gear, right? Let's head outside. Gotta mention those amazing tiles. 140,000 of them. Here's your splash pad. Not working, it was too cold anyway. And the gorgeous pool. Just look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. Sister property, Terra Luna back there. There it is on the left. And Terra Luna will open March 25th. These resorts both have 750 guest rooms. And remember, they are all standard. No suites. Here's your spa. Right next to that, you've got little Galaxy Bar. Nice. And of course, you've got your freestyle soda machines as well, right outdoors. Next door, you've got the Galaxy Grill with the same kind of offerings as the cafe inside, with the difference that you can just grab it at that pickup window and go back to the pool. And over here, you've got the fire pit. See it right there? Let's head back inside so I can show you what I had for lunch. Well, lunch at Cosmo Cafe was actually delicious. The chicken parm, though it looked, kind of thin, it was actually a nice chicken sandwich. Very filling, and that's why it was my lunch/dinner, because I am stuffed. I actually enjoyed it. Tomorrow morning, I plan to have breakfast here also, Cosmo Cafe, try that out. And I'm going to attempt the walking path. I'm not sure how far you can go, because obviously Epic Universe is closed, but I want to see the distance from the hotel. It looks like quite a walk, but we'll check that out tomorrow. All right? I included this shot so you can see the actual little walking path. It's that sidewalk far in the distance, leads you over to Epic Universe. So I feel like I'm practicing for Paris. It's 40 degrees in Orlando with a wind chill of like 30. Crazy. But I'm going to walk over, taking the little walking path, see, the distance, and I'll report back to you guys. Breakfast was delicious, by the way. Had a really nice breakfast there at the Cosmos Cafe. So let me flip the camera. You can see what I'm seeing. Okay, so over here on the left, you've got the parking area. The very first section is your temporary 20-minute, check-in parking. And then right behind that is your standard parking area. So again, no parking garage at this time. I love those. But hey, hopefully they will bring it to Stella Nova and Terra Luna in the not-too-distant future. It is 9:35 a.m. Let's see how long this takes. But we're gonna hit the hyperlapse. I'm very curious to see if Terra Luna has a separate walking path or if these somehow meet. Stella Nova and Terra Luna's walking paths join somehow. You probably have to walk over from Terra Luna to Stella Nova and take this same path. Okay, so here we go. By the way, I am staying at Terra Luna May 22nd for opening day. And the plan is walk across the street, as early as possible and make those lines. So I know, we are bananas. But it's one of those things, a theme park or resort only has that one grand opening day. So it's something very special, and I like to be there for those types of occasions. Not expecting to ride a ton of attractions that day, but hey, just soak up the atmosphere, grab some food, and enjoy day one of Universal Epic Universe. Okay, we're almost there. You can see the street light. All right, here we are at Epic Boulevard. It is 9:41 a.m. and Epic Universe is just across the way. Can you believe it? It will open in just a few months. So roughly 6 minutes to reach Epic Boulevard. I'd give it another 5-6 minutes or so to reach the entrance. Look, you can see the Kronos there in the distance. And off on this side, Donkey Kong Country. Frankenstein's Castle. Oh my gosh, so exciting. So there you have it. That is the view from Stella Nova's standard resort rooms. Yeah, so basically around 6 minutes to get to Epic Boulevard and then maybe another 4 or 5 minutes to enter. It's not far at all. Of course, in this type of weather, you're gonna want to take a bus. It's freezing. Gonna head back. Let's go. I definitely enjoyed my time at Stella Nova Resort, and I cannot wait until May to check into sister property, Terra Luna Resort. Well, just like that, my time here at Stella Nova Resort has come to an end. Thank you guys so much for hanging out for a couple of days, checking out the resort. I hope you liked it. It's absolutely gorgeous, brand new, smells brand new, and it definitely has that Aventura hotel vibe. So if you've stayed at that property, kind of the same thing, staying over here. You're gonna find very similar amenities. The hotel has very similar feel, except, with that kind of space vibe. Now, I will say, you can sleep 4 to 5 here, so they don't have suites. They're all standard. If your party's a little bigger, the family's a little bigger, you're gonna want to stay at the Helios Grand because they've got all kinds of different suites and kids' rooms and things over there. It would be a better option. Anyway, that is all from Universal. Very excited to board the Disney Dream in just a couple of days. So I'll be bringing all that to you. I'm gonna try my best to edit videos while on board. I've got internet so that I can upload them, and show you guys the ship, and definitely going live on embarkation day. So join me for that. You can look for the link at my YouTube, hankstravels.com. And then shortly after that, we are visiting Paris. It's still like a dream come true. I can't believe it, honestly. Every time I think, flight's coming up, and in a matter of weeks, we will be in Paris visiting Disneyland Paris. It's just like, wow, you guys, unbelievable. I'm so happy, so excited, and I cannot wait to bring you along for the ride. So please always remember, this is what I do for a living. I am a travel advisor. I can book you here, Epic Universe, the Universal hotels, Disney Cruise Line, other cruise lines, even Disneyland Paris. So please feel free to reach out. Let me get you a free quote, and let's get you taking some incredible vacations and making memories that, I'm telling you, I will never forget walking into this hotel and that welcome reception that they gave us on opening day. It's one of those things that's just ingrained in your memory and will last as long as you're around. Anyway, thank you so much. As always, have an out of this world day. Take care, you guys. Catch you on the Disney Dream. Bye-bye.